you'll find the paintings under a cave area or a shaded area is because of to protect them. People who drew them on the wall, they are known as San people or the Bushmen, but it's a sort of version so that the English people could understand. Yes. And they are known as Khoisan people. So Khoi means in my language people, and Sa means now in my language now gathering, and they are also known as hunters and gatherers. So the reason why they also draw on the mountains or on a stony area is to, if the next group is coming in, they will know what to find around this place, and also it's a way of communication. So over here we have a chicken.
Oh, a chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
It has crossing legs.
Yes.
So the legs is a bit long and it has like an X on it. So if you don't understand, just ask me. And over here we have having a person who is bending over. A hunter will know if to have a good aim, you need to bend a bit to have to shoot it down.
Oh, I thought someone was fishing.
No. And over where we have a rhino. Wherever the rhino is facing, head is facing it, that there is always water. So the rhino head is facing to this direction, and over there we are having a rock pool, but it's only having water when it's raining. But this year we are having a little rain, less than 2 millimeters. And
Yeah.
so these paintings are about from 2,000 to 4,000 years old. And the oldest painting, you'll find it at the Brown Berg. And it's a white lady. It's also famous for a white lady. Any questions?
Jaga tsinga ko chasin ko kumzonga chasin ko ko cha sa ko kumzonga to a khoike cha ya tsige ga ge shugo tsigin ha go ge ko mun shungo ko ka se ngo ga ko ya si ge ngun ga cha ko ka tsige cha tsige din ha go to tsonga to ka tsige ko ngun ga ko ka ko ka ko ga ko kumzonga to ko cha ga ko to ga ge ka duk us ga che duk us ge to Mashin hayo kuta kumashin kushika sibe kunusengo. Kongara hashe tuma kweke tunga taka ke kutama ka kweke kumakacha ka kutama ka nintsuda to. Ha kutama ka nintsa gufu ka ka ku ka konga ko. Ka cha ke kum ka kon thrita ko. Chimza tashe ko ka cha ka ku shu ka chi ku ga ku to ko. Kai ku ga ku to ko ha chi chin ku chin to. Ka chi ku mashi ka she chi ku ga ku to ko he chi ku ga ku to ka. Kada go chin u hi chai za gu ge ko ga si chai ka na ko go na chai ka si ko
Oh, schitterend.
kai shuo ko ge chong na da ko ga da ko ga ko kai ga ga do ga ta se chi se cha gu ge ga si ge mo ko ge ko a si gu ge o si ge ka na ko se ka go ge ka chi nu si ge o se ka ku cha nu ku ga gu go se ko kwa o se shu ga cha ku ge shu go ga ge o ko ma zwan au shi I don't know if me, I'm unconscious. I was saying, take some quick. Take the other quick, I said some coke, a chin door, and I go. I go, I think I thought of true. The go off that. I got a ninja go there and go, gosh. I get cut this out. I go chicken and my Catching that, three shoe girl, I can't ask it. I can't like a cooking hang one, go to ask it too. I do quick and going to go to Tunga. No go. Come to the Kuma got the Mukain to ask it. I could cargo click her up from Chizata Hum. Ashing should go to Manet Quashe treasure go to Ashes, Ushaga with ashes. The ashes or go to this is who again. Crack again. What do I say? God, God, I guess or cheap matter. I think I got to Tona, the guy dogs you and Koshocha Muchi. Kashi Kreko, Kai Kanwakara,
Yummy, yummy.
Kacheza kanyaga kaga shawuli ka chismochi ngake ngeke kumkaya ka osasuku kakanqase asuko dushunga eko cha yo ta shungu shunga shungu asuko toto tsungata akaga kwaka shugeko chikoma ngika tsumeke khazenga ya ko shugetsa chimangwi skago chimaka ka ke to kriye tsungata Tiger was its other car command. The big go I just go on as a Jesus again. Okay, I got quick, I got close.